Let me be blunt. I've watched people retire with security, only to have one decision erase it all. It doesn't happen slowly. It happens quietly in the years you think you have control. You might think you're safe. You might think saving diligently or investing wisely is enough. But I promise you, this one misstep, one poorly timed decision, and decades of work can vanish. If you're over 50, you need to hear this. This isn't fear-mongering, it's reality. And the sooner you understand it, the sooner you can protect yourself. Set up the pain in stakes. Most people over 50 assume retirement is safe. They believe they're too late to fail. They chase high returns, follow trendy advice, or ignore long-term market cycles. The truth is, most retirement disasters happen quietly. Not on headlines, not in the news, just in bank accounts shrinking slowly. I've seen retirees cry quietly in their living rooms, realizing the money they thought was secure is gone. Not because of bad luck, but one bad decision, often small, subtle, and overlooked until it's too late. Think about that. You've worked your entire life to build security. One moment, one decision can erase it. That's the reality most people refuse to face. Here's what I've learned over decades in markets, cycles, and human behavior. Survival matters more than returns. By the end of this video, you'll understand a simple but powerful framework to protect your retirement, avoid quiet financial destruction, and gain peace of mind. These lessons are not theoretical. They come from seeing what works, what fails, and what destroys lives. Follow them carefully. Stop chasing the market at the wrong time. I remember a retiree, John, comfortable nest egg, market dropped 25%. He panicked and sold everything. 3 years later, he had half. I asked him why he acted that way. He said, "I thought I had no choice." That moment taught me an important lesson. Your mindset matters more than the market. You see, the market will always fluctuate. It's unpredictable. Chasing returns at the wrong time is like running into a hurricane hoping it won't touch you. Takeaway: don't act out of fear or greed. Stay calm, follow principles, and focus on protection first. Protection comes first. Early in my career, I ignored risk. I thought growth was the only thing that mattered. I chased returns blindly. That approach failed more times than I can count. Later, I prioritized hedging, diversification, and risk management. I learned that discipline and protection save fortunes often more than aggressive growth strategies. I've seen portfolios survive crashes because their owners protected what they already had, while others lost everything chasing more. Takeaway: secure what you have before chasing growth. If you protect first, growth is safe. If you chase growth first, losses are devastating. Timing matters less than discipline. I knew a couple who sold after one bad year. They were panicked and they missed the rebound entirely. Their confidence never returned. Meanwhile, others who stayed disciplined and followed their rules recovered steadily. Retirement isn't a sprint, it's a long game. Trying to time the market will often make things worse. Discipline and adherence to principles matter far more than predicting exact highs and lows. Takeaway: long-term thinking beats short-term fear every time. Stick to your plan and don't react to temporary panic. Trust frameworks, not forecasts. Markets move unpredictably. Predictions fail. Economists, pundits, and advisors, all of them can be wrong. But what works consistently is having a repeatable framework that you can rely on in any cycle. When I built my own strategies, I focused on frameworks. Rules for survival, rules for growth, rules for when the unexpected hits. Frameworks save lives. Predictions do not. Takeaway: trust your principles, not forecasts. Rules keep you steady when chaos hits. You've been told you can't retire without chasing high returns. Wrong. That's dangerous advice. You've been told past crashes don't matter. Wrong again. History teaches patterns, ignore them at your peril. You've been told you're too late to protect your money. Wrong. Protection always comes first, no matter your age. One principle beats many strategies. Follow these 5 steps to protect your retirement. Assess, know exactly what you have. Protect, shield savings from volatility. Remove unnecessary risk. Plan, have a repeatable framework. Endure, think in decades, not months. Repeat this mantra. It's not complicated. It's life-saving. Follow it consistently. One bad decision can destroy a retirement quietly. I've seen it. I've lived it. Don't let it happen to you. Follow principles, not hype. If you want more of my hard lessons without sugarcoating, subscribe and don't miss the next one.